What's good, y'all? It's Akira here, back with another video. Guys, today we're going to talking about how you can make money with a laser and how you can turn this into your full-time job and not just a side hustle. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Guys, okay, so I got a laser. It was sent to me by xTool. It's the M1. It's the M1 laser. Yeah, it's the M1 laser. It is so bomb, guys. I'm so excited about this. This I think is a real opportunity to really make money and to kind of stop, you know, doing like the Cricut side hustle and really make this a full-time business. And I think that this investment in the laser would really do that for you. Like, look at all the cool stuff I've been making, and this is just me playing around. Got this like good vibes thing that I made out of wood that I'm gonna eventually paint. I've made myself some acrylic earring. Can you see that? Let me show you guys the material here. They say Akira. Like, guys, I'm loving this thing so far. So let's talk about this laser and how you can make money with it. First of all, there are tons of different ways that you can make money with this M1 laser, and I'm going to show you guys a little sneak peek on how I made these earrings a little bit later in the video, and I'll leave the timestamps down below. But let's just get into it. Let's get into the cost, you know, what it's going to look like for you, what you can make, how you can make your money back, and enough talking. So the M1 laser is $8.99, but you can use my link down below to get an additional 8% off, which I definitely suggest that you do. And they also have like a firm and all those type of things, so you can get payment plans on this machine if you wanted to. But guys, just let's do a comparison here, right? So the M1 is $8.99, but the Cricut Maker 3 bundle is $469.99, right? So a difference of $300. The M1 can cut wood, it can cut acrylic, it does everything that a Cricut does. It cuts vinyl, it cuts fabric, it does everything that a Cricut does plus more. And the ability, that plus more, is the ability to make more money. Like, guys, I'm just so excited about this because this is such a great product, and I'm so happy to have it and to be giving you guys this review on this product. Like, this thing is amazing. So if you want to, let's just get into like what you can make and how you can seriously and realistically make your money back. So first of all, guys, you already know I'm a lover of signs, and signs, I'm just taking this off so I can show you closer. But signs are a huge deal, especially like in the wedding industry and offices and things like that. And just was scrolling on Etsy, I found a sign business that sold just acrylic signs that obviously they use a laser to cut their signs. And one of their signs sells for $2.99, and it wasn't even a big sign, like a 20, I think it was a 48 by 12 or 24 by 12, something like that. I forgot the dimensions, but it was $2.99, so that you could literally sell 4 signs for that price and make your money back on this laser plus some. And what's great about it is it comes with mostly everything that you need to get started. It's not like Cricut where you have to go and buy mats and this and that. It comes with everything. You literally just have to get materials and get started. There's tons of things you can make, and I'll start putting some of the objects on the screen. But like I said, you know, I got my notes here. You can make wedding signs, you can make signs for offices, you can make signs for hairdressers. I mean, any small business that needs advertisement, you can now do that because you have an ability to cut acrylic. One of the little like realtor signs I'll show on the screen, those sell for $99 a piece. That means you will only need to sell 10, because I'm including taxes and stuff like that. You only need to sell 10 realtor signs to make your money back on this machine. It's worth it. I'm telling you. There's so many things that you can do, especially like in the wedding, and I always recommend you guys to niche down on whatever you want to sell, so that people know, like, hey, I'm going to go to Akira for wedding stuff, or I'm going to go to Akira for baby stuff, you know. So I always recommend that. But even if you like were interested in like the wedding party planning type of thing, even if you don't want to sell signs to consumers, like you don't want to do the Etsy shop, you don't want to do the Shopify thing, you could literally, especially if you live in like a metropolitan city like Atlanta, Charlotte, Houston, you know, LA, cities with a lot of population and people have parties often, you could literally hook up with a few party planners in your area and sell signs directly to them. Like, just imagine that, having that steady income not having to deal with customers, just like a party planner or a party planner business, and have that revenue generating all the time, because you're going to be their sign person. So anytime they need a sign, they're coming to you. Like, how, gotta think, you gotta think. But guys, so amazing. I just want to move through like kind of the things that I think that you can make a really good profit from and make your money back really quickly with this. Also kind of like in that party range, you have cake toppers. You can make them into memorabilia so people can keep them after their weddings. You can engrave wine glasses. You can engrave glasses. Like, I mean, when I tell you, and not just like the etching that you do on top that you can do with like etching glass. I mean, literally engrave into glass to make keepsakes or to make items for weddings, for corporate events. Like, you don't have to think small and just think, oh, I'm going to sell on Etsy or that type of, not to say that that's small, but you know, you don't have to go that route. There's so many things that you can do with this machine. Like, even if you do want to sell direct to consumer on like Etsy or come up with your own website and things like that, you can, your niche could be kids. So see, with this machine, it cuts vinyl, so you can still do t-shirts, you can still do like party outfits and stuff like that with kids, but then you also can do like nursery signs, like the wood nursery signs that are super popular. Nursery signs, you can do paint by number kits. You can do Montessori toys where you have like the toys with the kids' names on it. I'll put a picture around. I mean, the options are almost endless with this machine, just because of the amount of things that it does and the affordability of it. The other laser that's popular is a Glowforge, and that one's like $3,200. So the xTool is really more affordable and in a lot more people's reach to be able to really get a business started with the tool. Like, it's so awesome. I'm just looking here to see all the stuff that you can make. Guys, even if you don't want to make projects, like, you can literally just sell blanks. I had an idea. I was like, let me look for acrylic blanks to see where there's a hole in the market. I typed in butterfly acrylic blanks. There was literally none. Like, I could not find any on Amazon. I could not find any on just a regular search. I did find a few on Etsy, but they were selling the file to make the butterfly, not the actual butterfly itself. So think about a unique product that crafters or, you know, people in that realm would enjoy having, and now you can sell just the blanks. You don't even have to be creative. You can come up, buy a file off Etsy for $3, buy some acrylic and cut out blanks and sell a set of 10 blanks for $25, and it costs you maybe, I don't know how much acrylic costs. I didn't really research it, but maybe it costs you between $6 to $10 to make, guys. I'm telling you, there is money to be made with these machines. And because the xTool is new, it's not a flooded market like how Cricut is. Glowforge is kind of out of a lot of people's range, so there's not a ton of people with lasers right now. So I think this is like a great opportunity to get in and to really make some money and to fill in those holes in the market for things that you notice. Like, just for instance, like I said, the butterfly acrylic blanks. I don't see those anywhere. You could come in and make those and make a good amount of money. Even on Amazon. So going back to like the blanks, I Google, because I've seen all these cool round signs, and so I searched up round acrylic sheets, and literally one acrylic sheet, a 12 by 12 on Amazon, is $99 for one. For a 1/4 thick acrylic sheet that's round, they want $99 for one. Guys, you can buy a sheet of acrylic, I think, for as low as maybe $5 to $10 and sell it for 4 or 5 times, and you're literally just cutting a circle. It's gonna take your machine a few minutes to do that, if that. Like, it's literally crazy. There's so many home items you can make. You can make earring holders, you can make actual signs, like you can make things like this. This is just like a engraved wood sign, but you can cut out pieces of wood. You can make, you guys see all the pictures and stuff I got on the screen, but there are so many things that you can do with this machine, and I'm just getting started. Like this, I love this so much. I can't wait to paint it and put it as decor in my room, but there's so many things that I haven't even touched the surface on. So I'm gonna just show you guys a quick tutorial on how I make these acrylic earrings, because they are fabulous and they were so easy to make. It literally took me less than 10 minutes to make these, which is crazy. So let's get into that. So here are the earrings in question, and here is the like the camera that shows inside of the tool, which is so freaking amazing. Like it takes the guesswork out of measuring and all that type of stuff that you have to do with Cricut. You literally put your objects in and it shows on the camera in the xTool design space. It is so cool. I already just went ahead and typed my name out and made it into a SVG. If you use Cricut Design Space, you will not have any problem using this software for xTool. It's very easy to use. So I wanted to show you guys how it shows literally the object directly on the camera inside the tool. So it allows you to then create your images at the perfect size that you need it, especially if you're doing like them to fit on another object. This made it so easy, and it took the guessing game out of measurements. I did go ahead and use the preset 3mm black acrylic setting, and then also have to put the air filter out the window. It went ahead and I just hit process. It starts processing the acrylic and cutting it with the laser. And guys, literally this took, I think, around 5 minutes to complete both names. As you can see, it took me a few times to get it right, just because I didn't attach the letters. But once I got that part figured out, it was very easy for me to just cut out my letters, and then all I did was glue them to the earrings using E6000, the jewelry and bead one, because it has that little skinny nozzle that it comes with. And that was that, and I'll show you guys the final result of these earrings. They were so easy to make, so fun to make, inexpensive. I got these earrings from a beauty supply for $1, and the sheet of acrylic, like I said, can cost you around $5, and you could sell these earrings for around 40 bucks. Alright guys, I know my level of excitement is kind of high, but I am really excited about this product and to bring it to you guys and to show you like what this is all about. If you want to check out xTool, make sure you check out my link down below. You get an additional 8% off, which is awesome. And again, to compare the pricing, a Cricut bundle on a Cricut website is $469. Round that up with taxes, it's going to at least be $550, or you can put another $250 and get yourself a machine that does it all. So I think, you know, I don't ever bring you guys anything that I don't think is worth it, but I think this machine is totally worth it. Like, I am just getting started with playing with things, and you will definitely be getting more laser content. So let me know down below what you would like to know about the laser. You know, what kind of products you may be interested in making. Maybe I can make some and show you guys some tutorials. I mean, this is a whole new world, and I'm very, very excited about it. So thank you guys for watching. Let me know what you think about the laser. Is it worth it to you? Would you buy one? Is it better than Cricut? Let me know down below, and I will see you guys in the next one.